O, tapos na. Next na, sab.
Nakita na nito?
Oh.
Historical contextualities of Descartes' search for truth. The first line is because of skepticism and cultural uncertainty. The 17th century witnessed profound challenge to traditional authorized. Dangog nizo? Dangog? Oo. Yeah, ito na eh. Lawa. Tabulong. Church. Traditional authority. First class of secularism and cultural instability, the 17th century, which is a profound challenge to traditional authorities, is it the church, Aristotelianism, to the scientific discoveries, is Galileo, heliocentrism, and religious conflicts. Descartes influenced by this climate of the to resolve the uncertainty present in the attitude of the culture of his day by identifying indubitable truths. Meditation explicitly reject former option derived from sensory experience of tradition, reflecting a broader renaissance shift toward ethical inquiry. Sakto dong. Methodological give us a tool for certainty. Descartes employed hyperbolic stuff to systematically dismantle unreliable knowledge, sensory deception, acknowledging sensory illusion, dreams, badness to question empirical certain mathematical skepticism, temporary loving even arithmetic truth to test their infallibility to deception, e- evil demon hypothesizing malevolent force distorting reality, pushing to its limits. This method mirrored the scientific revolution, emphasis on empirical and rational verification. Sabot ke bali ng yun eh, kita na eh. Rini kasi nagamit sa isa ka paagi nga gitawag ni Nizan og hyperbolic the usa ka labing lawon og sobra na pagduwa aron pahimusdan ang tanan nga kahibalo nga dili kasaligan og makita sa tinuod nga kamatuoran. Metodo legal of a stall of certainty. Scaster employed the hyperbolic of dawa kayo na manong is dako gito as epistemological foundation. Scaster famous gito Igor some I think therefore I am image as the first certainty by demonstrating that Dove itself confirmed extenses his shield focus intellectual and the thinking self-risk distant as the basis for knowledge. This move prioritized innate reason over sensory data alleging with the rationalist traits in early modern philosophy. Ibakal nang ito ang bantong nga payag ni Rene Descartes nga kogito ergo sum sa English matuoran nga iyang nakit-an nga dili madudaan nga sa Iza tagpakita nga bisan pa sa Iza pag duwa-duwa sa tanan ang Iza pagduwa mismo nagpamatuod nga na nagunahuna siya sa kung nagunahuna siya na naglungtad siya Iza gibutang ang pagunahuna isip pinakaunang basihan sa tinuod nga kahibalo. May exam tibali nagduwa kakong tinuod bagadod ang kalibutan basin damgura o ilusyon apan bisan pa man sa imong pagduwa kabalo kaybayo ko na nagunahuna ka mo amo ini nga Socrates na ingon naglaw na makaduda ka buhi ko ang pagdudan mismo may ebidensya nga naglungtad ang imong hunahuna.
Talaga so klaro nga ug sigurado nga ebidensya sa probensyong sistema pinagi sa pagpakita na ang kahibawo gikan sa pagtarong nga dili sa Wala.
Kina Rins?
Oo, Jimmy lang.
Yung mo na Jim?
Oo, sige.
Dari?
Oo. Political and existential implication. Descartes' research was not purely academic. His proof for God's existence. The non-deceptive God argument aims to reconcile faith and reason and ensure the reliability of clear and distinct ideas. However, critics like Harry or Larry Clifford argue that Descartes focused on the insulated self versus inadvertently fragment human experience. Reality, social, kaya manlong definition of knowledge. Considering Descartes na ang mga na-experience nato na mga problema or mga spiritual social media na doon way para ma-improve ka tag sa spiritual God agreement lang diri na tagtugot ni God na daw yung mga problema nato na moabot para sa na mutawag sa Iza and then mugro ka as a person God existing next long and critiquing Descartes protect the laid tulong na project and laid groundwork for attainment rationalism but face criticism infallibility versus reliability while Descartes claimed the mind of both impalpable and reapable. Later, philosopher Locke formed a group for probabilistic knowledge over absolute certainty. Ang kibali ato mga tao na ang ato kuno kuan argument reliability sa tungod sa ato mga experience nahibayo kita, like for example daon bitaw kuan way mga for example iya sa ato sa wiring iya ta kay bayo tungod sa ato mga experience di ron kita nahibayo. And dualism, his mind body, spirit, modern philosophy, but also speak a bit about the materialism and consciousness. Ang stress ko nato amoy stress, amoy nagpasakit like sa unahuna sa tulawas tungod sa stress. Wala to. Next. Tapos na. Next. Stop
na. Stop.
Bago nakataan.
Okay, kita.
Salamat.
Oo.
Isa. Kapuan mo ni.
Kanara. Kita man.
Isa. Dali lang. Okay.
Okay.
Si Paul.
Kisay nag-screen record. Si Balmar. Nag-screen record ka, Bal? Ikaw kan taon pag
Sige. Start.
So, good afternoon, ma'am. My name is John Paul Bisalat. And muna yung sunod na mga topic ni Antonio Pinangkabot sa Descartes methodic skepticism. Adjourn to 30 minutes. So, who was Rene Descartes and why methodic skepticism? So, introduce Descartes as a father of modern philosophy. Explain the historical context, the shift from reliance on scripture to reason, and the challenges posed by science to the church. Descartes' goal is to find an indubitable foundation for knowledge, methodic skepticism as a tool, a way to dismantle existing beliefs and to find absolute certainty. So during his life, si Rene Descartes is known as the father of philosophy. So during sa yung time, ang mga tao is mostly nag-rely siya on religion and scripture for truth, but si is gusto niya nga magbase sa knowledge on reason and evidence. So, ang iyang tuyo is mao ang pagkita sa kabutang nga dili madudahan. So maong mabuhat niya so para mabuhat ni Descartes ni is gigamit niya ang methodic skepticism para mabalan kung sa tinuod. Mr. Tan.
Ay, pila.
Tama. Silakan mo.
Sorry.
So, what is methodic skepticism? Understanding the Cartesian skepticism. Define the Cartesian skepticism. Universal truth method
temporary and goal-oriented approach to doubting. Contrast with agnosticism is universal but not methodic, permanent, and without goal. Then the purpose to cling uh, doubtful presupposition about the thing. Doubt certainty about doubt as a means to establish conditions. So during a slideshow, tuning methodic decision is a systematic and purposeful kind of doubt na temporary lang. So matawag siyang methodical, sunod yung research ang clear process or method. So, ang goal lang ni Descartes theory is na remove ato mga false beliefs and ma-reach nato ang center knowledge, certain knowledge. Next raton, ang sa last one. Ay, balik sa ton. Nakaipost ka. So, lahi sab ang agnosticism kay ang agnosticism is kanang nagpabilin ra nga dili siguro walay kayo sa daw ka maturan or yeah, exactly. Oh, no. Next na ito. So, naitulo ka gamit si Descartes. So, use doubt as a tool to find truth. One is doubt about things. So, Descartes is construct that by doubting the reliability of things. Kaya ang atong things can deceive us into false perception. Kaduha is doubt about the dreaming. Descartes is a question siya sa whether we can distinguish between waking life and dreaming. If we cannot be sure we are not dreaming, then all our experiences could be illusion. Ang ikatulo is
Excuse me,
about evil.
Excuse me, mag-picture pa tang pagkakuman. Di na.
Picture ka ron.
Mag-picture pa ta pagkaman report.
Oo.
Sige.
Dali na.
Okay.
Next raton.
Okay, ako na. So, good day everyone. I am Antonio Espailangco. So karon is, can we really know anything for sure? Kabalo ba ta nga, ang tanan natong hibalan is, sure ba gyud ni? So, let's find out. So, the first stage is, you have a stage, 3 stages. So, this is the first stage. That was to sensory illusions. The unreliability of the senses. Sometimes our eyes and ears tricks us. So sa inyo makita diri sa picture, so naay mga ligin-ligin, circle. So kana siya is sa atong pananaw is gatuyok siya. Pero in reality wala siya gatuyok. Ang ato rang mata ang gatrick sa toa. So mao na siya. And Descartes thought that maybe everything we see and hear is like a magic trick. So we can't be totally sure about it. So mao to ingon si Descartes nga tanan natong makita natong madungog is mura daw illusion na kibali siya. So mo nang nakaingon siya nga atong nakita og atong nakuha na dungog is maybe kuan daw dili data sure kung tinuod ba gyud. So that's all. The next stage 2. Dive us to the dreaming state. The possibility of a continuous dream. What if we're just dreaming right now? So Descartes thought maybe life is just one big long dream. How can we tell if we are awake or dreaming? We can't be completely sure. So mo to no, what if damgura din ni tanan? Ana no? Kay so panag sa ato ning mauna-unaan siya kay grabe kay ka broad ang life nato. So panag sa kay ingon ta nga basig damgura ning tanan. So mo to. And mo to siya. Next sa stage mo to siya stage 2. And stage 3 is dub as to the postulation of an evil genius. The deceiving evil genius. So there is nakadam ko na ba mo ka ng abi ninyo og tinuod ba gayud katong past ninyo nga mga damgo nga murag na tinuod. So mo na siya. So Descartes thought that maybe everything we think is true is just a trick by this evil genius. Even math we can't know for sure. So example ining nasa picture is 2 plus 2 equals 4. So tinuod siya pero ang uban nga mga tao is nasa yung mga hidden meaning. So dili na to siya ma consider nga kana ba jud ang iyang pasabot. So mo to siya. So that is stage 3. So after the universal dub, the cogito. So ang dub is pagdududa, pagdududa. So even if we dub everything, there's one thing we know. So mo daw nang natay pagdududa pero ang isa ka side is natay kay balanan. So kibali tong 2 plus 2 equals 4. So kabulot nga 4 ang answer ato kay i-plus go nato gamitan ko na itong mathematics. So, mo to siya. And, ang uban nga mga kuan na siya line meaning, ana. So, mo to siya. And Descartes thought that even if I'm being tricked, I'm still thinking. And if I'm thinking, I must exist. So, mo to niya ingon, no, nga, kung gina-trick daw ta, gawan ako na daw ta, and samtang ganoon na ta, mo tong exist daw ta in this real world. So, yun, no? So, mo to siya. And, this is, I think, therefore, I am. Muna siya ang pinakasikat nga mga quote ni Descartes. So, I think, therefore, I am. If you're thinking, you're real. So, mo to siya, no? Kung huna-huna daw ka, tinuod yun daw ka. Nga na-adri as sa real world. So, mo siya. Descartes said that this is the one thing we can be 100% sure about. Naman na siya, no, kay kung wala kay huna-huna agoy. Like na siya. Okay, next. So Descartes used the dub game to find something we all be sure of. So mo na siya, no, I think therefore I am. So mo to yang kanang gigamit ni Descartes ning the dub game. So maybe that's all. Thank you for listening.
To everyone, my name is Antonel Porgorosa for reporting this topic. Cognito igrusa, the certain piece of certination is epistemological certainty. Introduction. Cognito igrusa, I think therefore I am, is the certain piece of epistemological certainty because it serves as the single indubitable foundation upon which René Descartes could reveal all knowledge he arrived from the conclusion after subjecting all his beliefs to a process of methodical doubt. The method of systematic doubt. Lorem Tutuit exerts duha ka doubt is doubt of sense of challenge of mathematical truth. The doubt of sense is the first question and reality of sense. Nothing that they had devised him before and could be doing is so now. He couldn't absolutely recently was dreaming there are no sure sign to distinguish the waking states from sleep. Sa doubt of sense, kibali, kung nag-una diri bisa nagdanggo ka is so ibig sabihin nag-exist ka diri sa kalibutan. Next is challenge in mathematical truth. Pose the doubt rather include mathematical and logical truths which same-centeredly whether one is rather include mathematical and logical truths which same certain whatever one is awake or asleep. To challenge this is introducing the concept of an evil genius or an evil demon. A power conclusion being that might be deceiving him about everything, include the most errant matters. Patusa na, patusa. This problem is how the mind, non-physical and body, physical and related, really Descartes believed that the mind and body are spirits, substance, but the question remains, how can something immaterial like prove up if something material like mind and body daw mo na agan pag lagi mo kung una-una kung pag ibaon kunog tayo makapan kag imuna og iba di bale maipitsuhan pud ko nimong lawas para nang kibaong ka tas di ba kay mangurog bitaw ka pagbuan nang ibaon ka mana kuno mind and body problem di bale isa ra ag hunahuna og lawas kay ibaon kunog sumong hunahuna damay pati imong lawas mana ag mind and body problem
Pagkalan duha magka-okay. Ang problema na magkasumbat ang duha, problema na nervyos mo na sa imong lawas mangurog.
Continue Teo.
Mo kanina. Simak ma. Ato nga to. Di ba nervyos ka?
Dualism is non-dualism.
Nervyoso na siya.
Pakiop Antonio. Pakiop Mike Antonio. Dualism versus non-dualism. Dualism, the belief that three are two distinct realities, that mind and body. Ang dualism kuno mo na gituhan nga pag dualism kuno gituhan kuno imo kuno espiritu balik gabuyag kuno sa imong lawas mo kuno mo na gituhan sa dualism. Ang non-dualism pod mo gituhan na pag mapatay kuno imong lawas mapatay sa imong nauna mo na ang non-dualism.
Interactionism versus non-interactionism. Interactionism, the view that the mind, the body directly affect each other. For example, feeling stress, mind can cause it cause the body. Non-interactionism, the view that the mind and body not directly interact. They may effort to work together, but they do not truly influence one another. Ang sa interactionism, kini ang paglantaw nga ang unang-una og lawas direktang makaepekto sa usap-usa. Panalita ang pagbati og stress. Unang-una mahimong hinungdan sa labad sa ulo ug sa lawas sa ato pang imong gibati sa imong unang-una makaepekto sa imong lawas ug ang imong sinati sa imong lawas makaepekto sa imong nauna. Ang sanan interactionism kini ang paglantaw nga nahuna og lawas dili direktang mag-interact mahimong pagpangita sila nga nagtinabangay apan dili gid sila mag-influence sa usap-usap. Sumala niini nga paglantaw una-una og lawas naglingog og depende. Next. Sana no conclusion.
Ethics of human freedom.
Sunod, ba? Sige, continue. Ngayon doon gawin sa Actor Boy ba?
Cartesianism, which comes from the philosophy of René Descartes, is best known for its emphasis on reason, love, and the autonomy of the thinking self. His famous dictum, cogito ergo sum. I think before I am. places the human capacity to think and choose at the very center of existence.
Di og study.
Freedom as root. Number one, freedom as rooted in rational autonomy discards viewed humans as begins with the dual nature, the body, extended substance, and the mind thinking substance. The mind is free because it can reason, reflect, and make judgment independent of external determination. This idea laid groundwork for ethical theories that see freedom as the capacity for rational self-determination. Example J1.
Kung sa kung gibasa ka moro gid ang sabton.
Example is the exam kibali tapos
Di ko mahilig ka lang.
yan siya magpatukso sa kwan sa
Gumilig ka lang mag
daw na una tas daw na una para mag-cheat sa exam. Og sa mo sa nagpakita dyan ng kwan
Tukan pero manulong lang ko ba sa ko daan. Ya mga
isa ka galingon na kibali na pag-isip tapos dahil na konsensya para mag una-una ng kwan.
Buto nimo creativity gani sa so mahimo ka mangita ka idea nga naa sila ha.
Number 2, the will and moral responsibility or discards.
Ang imong saktor nimo
The will is unlimited in scope. We can affirm, deny, or suspend judgment. Our freedom of the will makes us morally responsible. If we
basa to nimo sa kung sa nakabot
misuse our
context sa imong gibasa
freedom by rushing or judgment or ignoring reason before into error and ethical failure. Therefore, ethics for Descartes is about using reason properly to guide the will.
Basa gamay na text
Example,
conclude ay kanang conclusion
dahil isa ka doktor
na tara summarize
na kailangan mag-desisyon kung una isa
ilayon na dugay ka mahuman dagay pangutan namin saktor nimo
ihatag na tambay sa kuan pasyente.
dipod
Tapos isa tagpili kay kuan.
tapos
Isa tagpili na pag-aralan ng kuan, pag-aralan ng kondisyon ng pasyente, alisya sila magresita ng kuan, tambay. Then number 3, freedom as independence from determinism. Cartesian philosophy strongly resists the idea that humans are... Number 3 pa, for animo.
Excited no kami
Number 3, freedom as independence from determinism. Cartesian philosophy strongly resists the idea that humans are mere product of mechanical causation. By separating mind from body, Descartes preserves us a space for free will that is not fully determined by physical laws. This became central to later debates on whether humans are free agents or bound by necessity. Example, jay kuan isa ka kabataan na jay isa kabataan na dako sa isa pan kagalingon pamilya. Tapos isa gusto is mahimo ng engineer. Pero ani sa tagpili na kuan gusto tap is kuan guru or teacher. Okay, ang may isa kuan ang may isa hilig.
Report.
Next. Means discipline, desire, controlling impulses, and acting according to fair and distinct. Understanding freedom is most perfect when it guided by knowledge of the God, not when it is exercised blindly. And kuanan daw sa pananaw ni Descartes ang tinuod na kalayaan dili dili lang kahimtang nga makapili sa walay patakaran, kundi lang kahimtang ng makapili ng uyon sa kamatuoran ng katarungan busang etikal nga nagpuyo nagpaabot sa pagdisiplina sa mga pangandoy, pagkontrol sa mga nahuna o paglihok base sa klaro tinaw nga pagtuod. Ang
Layo.
kalayaan labing perpekto kung kini tagasod sa kaalam sa maayo dili kung kini gigamit nga walay huna-huna. X
Kang, kay Kwan, socialist.
Amora?
Socialization. Yan, pasakinan niya. Gawas ka. Ito sa ano? Lawan, unahan. Silyo, Robert, ka.
Artism connect to the ethics of human freedom by grounding human dignity in the autonomy of reason. And the will teaches that freedom is not just about doing whatever one wants, but about exercising rational judgment and moral responsibility. This perspective influenced later philosophies on autonomy, responsibility, and the moral foundation of human rights.
Magul na.
Tapos na,
Wala na tax. Wala na tax.